theft or loss of everyday items is on the rise, and this time again Nagaland News Network is going to show you the theft of a car wash machine in Purana Bazaar. Now the incident occurred on June 30th around 4:30 a.m. and at a private residence, and the owner, the resident, also informed Nagaland News Network that as the CCTV footage shows, that the thief also just came in very confidently, looked around and just picked up the car wash machine and then went off on his way. As you can see on your screens right now, that the thief has entered the private residence in Purana Bazaar and is also just looking around and stealing the item. Now we have to question, every day this theft is on the rise in Dimapur district especially, and we have also done many reports, especially a few weeks ago, about the theft of items worth 4 lakh rupees, and we have also questioned the police that what is the reason behind the rise, the surge in theft. The police have also informed, certain officials have informed that this is mainly due to drug abusers and users, that they will steal items. It could be worth 10,000, 30,000 or in lakhs, but then they're due to their addiction, they are selling these items for a mere amount of money.